Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to turn on personalized ads in Roblox mobile settings and you are wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started with the video. You can start by opening a Roblox application or go to roblox.com. I'm going to use a browser. You can even access the application if you prefer. For browser, you can go to roblox.com and log in into your account if you're not logged in, and you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now, from here, go ahead and access your settings. For that, look out for the gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, a menu appears. Look out for the settings option from the menu and tap on it. And once you tap on it, your settings opens up on your screen. Now, once you go over to settings, what you need to do is you need to go over to the privacy tab. So here, let's go over to privacy tab. You can tap on this account info section, drop it down and select the option for privacy and content restrictions. Once you select it up, the privacy settings opens up on your screen. From here, you may just find the option for ad preferences. So scroll down to ad preferences and select it. Once you select it, here you will be finding option of personalize your ads. Now in order to turn it on, you just need to find the toggle option right beside it. If this option is turned off like this, you just need to turn it on by tapping on the toggle option and wait, and the save will be done automatically. You do not need to do anything, and the personalized ads will be turned on using your mobile on your Roblox. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.